This is the light activated burglar alarm. You have a PNP and a PNP transistor here, and what happens is when you activate the light and turn on the power to the 9-volt battery, the voltage goes through the CDS cell, but some of it goes here and goes through the radio and gets amplified through the transformer and goes back to this coil, and the output transformer here, which is this guy here, basically creates a tune, an amplification of the sound. I'll show you what I mean. You can control the light output and create a frequency with the radio. It's light activated wireless burglar alarm. Maybe I'm not explaining it. The two transistors are coupled together. And when you amplify them, when you have two of them together like that, coupled with the 0.3 microfarad and the 100 picofarad capacitor, it creates a high-pitched tone, which is controlled by the CD cell, and it gets amplified again by this NPN transistor, which goes back. Goes like this. And it goes to the radio circuit and amplifies it and sends it through the coil, so it's only being transmitted for a few feet. It's at 513 kilohertz being transmitted.